Today, let's look at a very simple but a very important concept, that is encouraging or reinforcing our children. So what do we do the minute they complete the task? We say, yay, super, awesome, or we give them something to eat, right? So there are a few things that you have to keep in mind in this. One thing, do not use the same reinforcer, the same words of encouragement, or the same thing, don't give it to them for eating every single day, every single time. Why? Because when they keep getting it again and again, it will lose its value. So every time they finish, we go on clapping, they'll say, okay, she's going to clap. So it loses its value. Another thing that happens is, even if they do one small task, they expect a lot of appreciation and stuff, which can make it difficult. So constantly keep changing your appreciations or reinforcers. This is the first thing that you have to remember. What I mean by this is, say today you are clapping your hands. After a couple of days, just rub their head. After a couple of days, just tickle them, pat them on the back. Use any form of expression to indicate to them that yes, you are happy that the task is completed. And if they like to eat and you're looking to give them something to eat once they finish the task, make sure you give very, very little. Not so much, because when they eat a lot, they will not want to be motivated to do some more tasks. This is one point that you have to remember. Next thing that I want you to remember is, when you are given, you give your child an activity to do, change your way of appreciation as the activity progresses. So when they complete the first step, give them a little appreciation. You said, yes, I know you're off to a good start. Then they get halfway through, you say, hey, that's amazing, you've done quite a bit. And once they finish, that's when you say, yay, super, that's awesome. So they also know that as they progress in the task, the amount of appreciation that they gets to be more. We have to constantly encourage and push our children till such time that they get internally motivated to do the task. So it can be a little tiring, but believe me, small, simple ways in which you work on this will reap you a lot of benefits in training your child. Do try it out and let me know how it goes.